Welcome to Virginia Beach, a place that flourishes off of art, entertainment, and local food. Let's take a look at 3 coffee shops and 1 bakery that are worth the visit. For reference, these are some of the things that I will be looking at. Our first stop is Java Surf, located right off the beach at the corner of 19th Street and Mediterranean Avenue. Though this location is known for its fun surf theme, it also has a diverse menu, which includes salads, sandwiches, espressos, smoothies, and more. Java Surf seriously has some of the best coffee my brother, my mom, and I have ever had. They are known for their Costa Rican roast, which has rich, deep, and smooth flavors. Their food was definitely worth the visit as well. Their lunch menu consists of bright and fresh flavors that are perfect between your visits to the beach. And make sure to stop around the corner to see the local art. Pourfavor is a local favorite a little bit further out from the beach. Their location has a quiet and calm atmosphere that is a great getaway from all of the busyness. They are known for their specialty coffees, pastries, and coffee flights that allow you to sample their different coffees. Their coffee is Puerto Rican based and is used to make drinks such as peach cold brew and their caramel mocha coconut iced coffee. They also have a wide selection of great sandwiches. The chicken pesto panini has a good balance of flavors that are light, garlicky, and tangy. They also have a solid Cuban sandwich, which happens to be their top seller. Overall, Pourfavor is a great, quiet escape. Our last coffee stop is Badass Coffee, which is located down the street from Java Surf and on the corner of 18th and Cypress Avenue. Born in Hawaii and selling Hawaiian blends, their coffees are crisp, bright, and have a rich body to them. Their menu consists of a wide range of beverages, including frozen blended drinks, cold brews, specialty coffees, and teas. You can pair these drinks with one of their sweets like chocolate banana bread or with a meal like the strawberry salad that has a great range of textures, bright flavors, and an amazing house-made vinaigrette. Badass Coffee is a great way to fuel your beach day. Though these are the coffee shops I chose to include in this video, there is one last local bakery that is worth a mention. Angie's is a local bakery that has become a staple to their community. They specialize in Filipino breads and pastries that are absolutely incredible and are made fresh every day. Some of the things you'll find during your visit are traditional pandesal, which is a bread roll that is a Filipino staple, and ube pan de coco, a rich coconut bread with an ube filling that you will not be able to find anywhere else. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment if you've been to any of these places.